can't just slide and take his legs out from underneath him. You have to be cognizant of the fact that he's there. So he's not going to win that argument. If you look at Jason Spezza coming in off the back door, and Gleason and Cam Ward both chip in on making that save. The rebound gets out to the slot. It's a bit of a shooting gallery. The Senators are back to 5-on-3.
There's a quick shot. Ward, the save. Uzbek scores! Burnett digs it free.
And it is nice to see Antoine Vermette be in the right place at the right time as Joe Corvo tees this up. The rebound's going to kick out to Wesley and Vermette. They battle for it. Vermette wins the battle, and that's exactly what you want to see. Get in and dig for the puck, and he will score his first goal in 9 games. And he'll be certainly pleased. Get a bit of a break off the goalie's pad, off Wesley's skate, and sits there right for you to put into the open cage. And the Ottawa Senators get their second 5-on-3 goal and still have 1 minute and 50 seconds to work with on the power play to Brett Hedican.